Hello my fellow idiots and welcome back to another episode. I do apologise for the hiatus. I've had a lot of things going on. Some of you may be aware of my financial problems, but part of me is thinking, fuck it. I need to get these videos done. You guys deserve them, so we're going to get cracking. Please don't mind this second channel. I was doing some live stream tests a few days ago, a week or so ago, and seeing how that went. That was my server where I was doing work on Custodian, but under the generic bot. But yes, we are back. We are going to be addressing a couple of things. I don't have my carbonated beverage, and I'm aware this looks like piss, but it's orange and pineapple. But yeah. Two things. One, you need to get rid of return deep diff. Remove it. Sorry about that, wife came home. Okay, right. You need to get rid of return deep diff because of a circular reference loop. Basically, with us trying to examine the difference between the old and new member objects, it caused a lot of repetitive checks until you ran out of memory, basically, or ran out of allotted memory. So we can delete that event because we're not using it. Yeah, we're not using it. Okay, let me just double check everything. Reconnecting event. No. That's the thing. With us using... Is it ESLint disable or ES... One second. GitHub York Dev, aka tag spot. Events. I want to look at the ready event. No, we use client. Crap. No, we use that one. Use that one. God damn it. Okay, we don't use it in any of the fucking events. Commands. Oh, no. Oh, it's tutorial bot, that's why. Ugh. Basically, I'm looking for a line that disables the linter for that particular line. So ban. There it is. ESLint, yeah, no unused vars. Because of our the way this is set up, we don't actually access the client object. So therefore, we don't. Just throw that in there. I'm going to do that for every... Well, actually, whilst I'm here... Sorry, meme's dead. Okay, no unused vars. Nope. Don't make a new one. Boom. Right. I believe, actually, let's just do a quick file search. Control Shift F. We want to remove it completely from all of our projects. Okay. All of our files in the project. Right, that is gone. So, yay. Next up. Crap, what was it? Shit. I blanked. Ha. I'm just actually looking at my... there we go. Right. Thanks to the help of my staff, I've learned how to do embed editing. So, idiot bot, modlog. Okay. Let us actually fire up the bot. We are going to create. Am I still using the event loader file? Yes, I am. Okay. That's right. Guild member update. Delete. Okay, that should load up fine. Perfect. Right, okay. We want to make a reason. Huh. There's a little spider right here. Oh, there you go, buddy. Too tiny. Okay. I want to make a new command. Want it to be called reason.js. Now I will say this, that's going to complain. Yeah, if you get this error, log loading command props help name is undefined, name property of undefined. That is because you have a blank file or a file that does not have the essential exports run. But don't do that. And exports configuration and help. So yeah, for the. Did you see? Oh, I fucking terminated that process. That is one thing I dislike about using a terminal in Atom. Is for some reason, if you let's sort you out. For some reason, if you what's the word? Hit like copy or paste. For some reason, the terminal window gets priority. It's like you'd be working on something over here, then you'd click on here. Look. See? That's what I mean. I've clicked off Atom. Click. Oh, now you fucking behave. Twat. Alright. We want to get rid of these because we don't use those. Perm level. That's a thing. Someone mentioned that all these moderation commands are all permission level 0. Yep. So you want them at least. So let's terminate you for now. You want at least level 2. So reason command is level 2. Kick command level 2. Let's go from over here. Warn command level 2. Unban level 2. Edge is already level 2. Mute level 2. Okay. That's I missed one lockdown. Oh, sorry, level 2. Purge level 2. Reload level 4. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, right. Yeah, a number of users using the guide, using the tutorial bot, came to me and was like, do you realise your permission levels for the moderator commands are all level 0? I completely did not realise. Alright, okay. We are going to do what we usually do. Const guild equals message dot guild. Then we want to grab the modlog channel. Actually, let's grab you. Reason user. Oh, I won't need user. Do that. Okay. Const modlog. It's been a while since I've done this. Client.channels.get. This is another thing people kept bringing up. I am fully well aware that doing this is a very bad idea. However, this tutorial series as is designed for one guild. And I need to find, not get. I'm fully well aware that this is not good. But yeah, I am fully well aware that client.channels.find name model. I'm fully well aware that that is not how you do it. I'm fully well aware. But I say, this tutorial is designed for a single guild. When I do season 2, so to speak, that is when I'll be branching into multi-guild systems. Because the fantastic Eevee has taken Guidebot, which is what this tutorial series is basically built on now, and has completely overhauled it, and it is out of the box multi-guild compatible. When this season is finished and we go on to the next season, episode 1 of season 2, we will be completely overhauling the bot, updating all the commands to the new Guidebot, which is, as I say, out of the box multi-guild ready. But yeah, anyway, as we were going, guild mod log, case number equals args.shift const, where's the reason, new reason equal args.join. Okay. Right, we should all know what these do. That is a shortcut to message.guild. Quite a few people have said, you know, don't bother with, but I like to be able to know exactly what is what. Modlog, self-explanatory, case number. Basically, it takes like a number. Well, it takes, because arguments is an array, so it gets rid of the first argument, it shifts it out. I think it's shift, or is it pop? I can't remember. But it uses that particular case number to find the case number, and then the new reason is the new reason. I suck at explaining shit. Okay. Did we async this? No. Fuck. Okay. This is gonna suck. Okay. I'm only gonna async this one command. And it doesn't even realise. Right, where's my updated one? Where is it? GitHub. Yeah, let's use the one I use for my bots. Copy. Paste. Now I will say this is going to start screaming. Okay. The reason why these are changing from let's to const is because in my linter rule I have prefer const. Basically, if you're not redefining a variable, make it const. And the reason for all these red dots is because I'm changing it from the Windows format to the Linux or Unix format. We'll get back to reason momentarily. Yeah, I just need to hit Control Save. See, those two got changed to consts. Ping. Sorted. Did I do mute? Now I have. Reload. Unban. 1. Having linter rules and making sure you follow them will improve your code, or at least your code style. Alright. Okay. Alright, we've got the guild, the modlog channel, the case number, and the new reason. So now you want to wait modlog dot fetch messages. I want to limit to 100. You know, technically you could limit it to 5. Yeah. Oh no, this is for setting the reason. So yeah, it makes sense having a limit of 100. I say it's been a while since I've actually recorded. Dot then message. I want to pass the message object. Okay, where are we? Const case log equals. Oh, that's supposed to be messages. Whoops. Messages dot filter m arrow m dot author dot id. Want it to equal client dot user dot id, because we want to limit the case logs by our bot. And here we go. I don't know why it's complaining. It should be set to LF default. Okay, and m dot embeds 0. I'm going to need this a lot. And embed 0 dot type rich, and so let's copy that. Okay, and gotta make sure it's got a footer, and the dot footer dot text dot starts with case. This is gonna be a bit of annoying. Capital C, and dot footer dot text equals case number. And we want to close the bracket there, dot first, save that. Okay, what we're doing is we're awaiting the modlog, so we're fetching the modlogs, then we're applying a filter to the messages. We only want the first, which is the last message sent in the channel is the first in the collection. So the first message that has an embed, that's a rich embed, you know, that's technically no longer the case, that has a footer, and that the footer text starts with case, and the footer text equals the case number, which we're going to be getting in a moment. Now I've done that, mod log, why am I doing capital L? Modlog dot fetch message case log dot id dot then log message arrow const embed equals log message dot embeds 0. Okay, I need to, and then we do embed san, which we'll be making in a moment. Embed. Then embed dot description equals embed dot description dot replace, and I'm actually just going to copy and paste this part. Awaiting model as input use, that I'll need to change. Use prefix, reason, case number. So what was, just bear with me one moment, what was the prefix? It was, yeah, okay, so let's just quickly require them. Const settings equals require dot, go back a directory, settings dot JSON, not JSON, JSON, and settings dot prefix. Okay, right. And then finally, log message dot edit embed. Right. What this will do is it'll fetch the case log number, which is what's from there, and then it will turn that into its own little variable with the embed, and then we sanitize the embed by removing all circular objects, because if not you're going to be in a world of headaches. Then we get the description and replace this with new reason, which is what we defined up here, but we need to make this function and have this function right here, async function embed san embed. Okay, this is going to be that is basically it for the message, the footer, the provider, the thumbnail, the image, the author, and the fields. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. I'll leave it on the screen whilst I go over it, so you guys can copy yourself. But yeah, if there's a message, if there's an embed message, delete it, or if it's there, delete it or undo it. Same with footer, provider, thumbnail, image, author, and fields. The fields is for every field there is, loop through and delete it. That is required. Sorry about that. That is actually required. You need to delete all the circular references. Now, I believe that is everything. But we don't use guild. Oh no, guild was for something else. Okay, now let's update this. A reason updates and unset moderator action. A reason case number new reason. And save. Now we should be able to test that, so I'm going to load up the bot. But I think I actually need to, let's start with the wall. Yeah, crap. I'm going to have to update. My eyes are watering. There, you're getting sneak peeks at the next stage of the series. See, there's the embed builder function. case number. Oh, I'm just going to take a quick break to find out where the fuck I need to find this shit. I found it. Right, let's just change this to rich embed and deconstruct it. Get rid of you. Okay, right. We want to make an async function, case number, client modlog, const messages equals await modlog dot fetch messages limit 5. Okay, define a views. Okay. Then we want to const log. We're doing something very similar to this part. It's to get / set the next modlog number. Equals messages dot filter. I'm actually just going to copy it from the reason command because it's basically the same. Actually, let's just do that real quick. Yeah, it's literally like just this part. Okay, case dot first semicolon if no log return 1 const this case equals bit of regex case I don't know what this particular regex does. Dot execute log dot embeds not 9 embeds 0 dot footer dot text close semi it's watering, and then we do return this case or pass int this case 1 plus 1 or 1 semicolon. Okay, as I can't. Okay, yeah, I know what that's looking for. Right, we fetch the messages, we filter the messages for the log, do like, is there an embed, is it rich type, is there a footer, does the footer text starts with case? If so, perfect. This case, that looks for that, and it looks for a number. It looks for the previous number. Then it takes that number and adds 1 to it. So yeah, and now we need to actually let's stick that in its own functions. Utility new file case number.js, because I don't want to duplicate that code in every single keys export dot case number. Oh fuck, how do I export shit again? I say it's been a long time since I've actually sat down and actually did some proper. Okay, let's just grab the functions. Let's do the embed builder again. Okay, module exports. Module dot exports equals case number. Now I just require it. Move the mouse. Equals require dot 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 functions case number. Ooh, almost forgot the JS. Alright. And now I should forget copy. Copy. Close you. Paste. Case number client modlog. I need to stick that underneath the modlog section. Case n. There we go. And I need to async this. Case number and set call, set timestamp. Right. Since I forgot, yeah, fuck off streaming. I don't know. Since I forgot what okay, oh, it's just set footer. Okay, let's just copy that from the example. Oh, I have to get rid of that semi. Stick that there. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. And now, case number. Right, that is done for the warn command. I just want to change one thing. This. I want to make it now optional for the reason. What's going on? What? Why are you complaining? Oh. God damn it. I need to stick that there. Get rid of you. Please use settings.prefix reason. And what's it looking for again? And it'll be just case n. And that's the require case number. And I okay, save you. Now, realistically, if I was to issue the warn now, let's actually just test it out. Come on. What? Oh. Oops. Alright. Idiot bot is up, so let us warn York dev. Let's start with, you suck. Okay, you crashed. Case n.case number is not on. Yes, it is. Case number, async function, client model. Case number, await. Yeah, that is a function. That is a function. Huh. I wonder why it's doing that. Right, be right back, guys.
2 hours later.
Big derp on my part. Basically, in the case number file, I forgot to add these curly braces. And that's what was throwing the not a function error. Now, I have tested it, I do know this works, but let's warn York Dev again. You're an asshole. Look. The model channel lit up. Case 1. Now, let's warn York Dev again. Without a reason. It's lit up. Case 2. Now we can test our reason command. Reason 2. You're still an asshole. Now, I don't have any confirmation or anything that it's edited, but there you go. Hey, the date score removed. I need to have a look at that. But yeah, there we have it. We finally have case logs. Now, I will say this episode has gone longer than I thought, because I was going to do this, update all the other commands, and proceed with the sanity checks, but that's going to be in the next part. So this is episode 10 part 1, episode 10 part 2 will come next week. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the episode, please leave a like, comment, or even subscribe if you're a new a new viewer. If you want to support me, there's a Patreon link on the end and in the link in the description below. And join us on the server if you have any questions or anything. There's a bunch of people that are more than willing to help. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!